Welcome to the Chess Your Map.
Hi friends, today we are going to discuss the problems under logarithms and exponential functions. So logarithms is the inverse of exponential function. So this is the logarithmic form, log to the base a, n is equal to x, and this is the exponential form, a power x is equal to n. Now just see, this is 3 square is equal to 9. This is in exponential form, and log to the base 3, 81 is equal to 4. This is in logarithmic form. Now we are going to convert this logarithm to exponential and exponential to logarithm. Just see here, you keep this arrow in the mind, that is a is here and x is here. So a to the, when we are converting to exponential, what you have to do, you keep this arrow in the mind. So a power x is equal to n. So what you have to do, how to convert the logarithmic form to exponential form, you have to keep this arrow in the mind. So let's do this problem first. So just keep this arrow in the mind. So what you have to do, 3 power 4. 3 you have to write. Then what is here, that you have to write it as power. See here, a power x is equal to n. So the remaining 81 you have to write this side. So 3 power 4 is equal to 81. So this is now in exponential format. You can refer another video for the basics of exponential and logarithmic functions. Now we have converted logarithmic values, that is logarithmic function, to exponential form. Okay. Now this is in exponential form. Now we are going to convert this to logarithmic form. So what you have to do, first write log value, log. See here, this is in the right hand side, n is in the right hand side, and when you are writing it in the logarithmic form, it will come near to the log, that is in the left hand side, right? So which is in the right hand side will come to the left hand side, that is nearer to log. So what is in the other right hand side? 9. So that will come near to the log, log 9. Then what is in the power will be on the other side. So here the power is 2 and it will be on the other side. What is left? 3 is left. So you can write this, log 3, log to the base 3, 9 is equal to 2. Now this is in the logarithmic form. So now you have converted the exponential form to logarithmic form. Now let us discuss some problems. Without using calculator, find the value of log to the base 3, 81 and log to the base 4, 0.25. So now we are going to calculate these log values without using the calculator. Okay. So once again I repeat, without using calculator, you are going to find the value of log to the base 3, 81 and log to the base 4, 0.25. Let us start the first problem. So here it is log to the base 3, 81. Okay. Now what you are doing is, I don't know the value of this. Okay. So I am keeping it this as x. I am equating to x. You are going to find the value, but I don't know the value. So I am keeping it as x, which is an unknown value. Okay. Now, this is in the logarithmic form. So when you're converting to exponential form, you have to keep this arrow in the mind, right? So when you're converting to exponential form, you have to keep this arrow in the mind. So when you're converting, what will you get? 3 power x. Okay. So 3 power x is equal to 81. So you are converting the logarithmic format to exponential form. Now you got 3 power x is equal to 81. So write 3 power x, and this 81 you can write it in terms of 3. So how can you write the 81 in terms of 3? I can write this as power 4. 3 power 4 is 81. Now you know that if the bases are same, if the base is same, then you can equate the exponents. If the base is same, then you can equate the exponents. Okay, so keep this in mind. If the base is same, then you can equate the exponents. So this is the rule we are going to apply in all these problems. Okay, so 3 power x is equal to 3 power 4. So here the base is 3 and here also the base is 3. So you can equate the exponents. X is equal to 4. So now you got the x value here. So what is x? X is equal to 4. So log, what is x? Log to the base 3, 81 is equal to x. X is nothing but 4. So you have found the value for log to the base 3, 81 is equal to 4. Now we are going to find the B problem. So log to the base 4, 0.25. Again we can write the same 0.25. We don't know this value. We are going to find the value. So let it be x. Okay. Now the same rule we are going to follow the same rule, that is 4 power x. The same thing we are going to follow. So 4 power x. So 4 power x is equal to 0.25. Again 4 power x you can write as such. Now this 0.25, how can you write it in terms of 4? So I can write this as 1 by 4. Okay. So now 4 power x, this 1 by 4 I can write it as 4 power minus 1. I just wanted to make to the same base. That's why I am converting 0.25 to 1 by 4 because both are same. I wanted to write in terms of 4, the 0.25. Okay. I wanted to write the 0.25 in terms of 4. That's why I am writing this as 1 by 4. So 4 power x is equal to 4 power minus 1. 1 by 4 can be written as 4 power minus 1. Now the base is same. You can use this rule. If the base is same, then you can equate the exponents. Therefore, x is equal to minus 1. Now you have found the value for x. X is equal to minus 1. Therefore, you can write it here. So log 4, 0.25 is equal to, what is your x value? Minus 1. Now you have found the value for log to the base 4, 0.25. Okay, that is minus 1. Next problem, without using calculator, find the value of log to the base 0.5, 4, and then log to the base a, then a power 5. Okay, now let us solve this a problem. So we don't know this value, we are going to find this value, and that's why we are keeping it as x. Let it be x. Now the same thing you have to do, that is 0. You have to keep this arrow in mind. So how to convert to exponential form? 0.5 the whole power x is equal to 4. See here, if the decimal value occurs, then you convert that decimal to the whole number to calculate in an easier way. Okay, so far we have, in the previous two problems, we have converted this value. Okay, but here this is the decimal value, and so you convert this decimal to the whole number. So when you are converting this decimal to the whole number, I can write this as 1 by 2 the whole power x, and this 4, you want the same base, right? So this 4 I can write it as 2 power 2. This 1 by 2 the whole power x, this 1 by 2 I can write it as 2 power minus 1. 2 power minus 1 the whole power x, 2 square. I want the same base, and that's why I am converting like this. I am changing like this. Now according to the exponential law, exponential rule, that is, we know this, right? A power m into n is equal to a power m into n. So when you multiply this, you will be getting minus x, 2 power minus x, minus 1 into x. You have to apply this rule. So you will be getting 2 power minus x is equal to 2 power 2. Now you got the base as same. Here also 2 and here also it is 2. If the base is same, you can equate the exponents. Minus x is equal to 2. Minus x is equal to 2. Therefore, x is equal to minus 2. Okay. So now you got the x value. So you can substitute here. Therefore, you got the value of log to the base 5, 4 is equal to x. What is x? X is equal to minus 2. Okay. So this is your answer. So now we are going to find log to the base a and a power 5. So we don't know this value, we are going to find. So let it be x. X is unknown and let it be x. Now what you have to do? The same rule you have to apply, that is, you have to convert this to exponential form. So you have to keep in mind, you have to keep this arrow in the mind. And so what you will get? A power x. You are converting to exponential. So a power x. So the remaining value you have to write it here. So a power x is equal to a power 5. Now you have converted to exponential form. Now here there is no calculation required. Here it is direct because the base is same and you can equate the exponents. So x is equal to 5. So how can you conclude the answer? Log a, log to the base a power 5 is equal to 5. So this is how we have to calculate the logarithmic values without using the calculator. If you have any doubts, you can post it in the comment box. And thank you.
Thanks for watching. Like and comment. Please to subscribe to our channel.